The 10 most common misconceptions about AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad term with almost unlimited interpretations and just as many misconceptions. AI talks are full of confusion and misinformation because we use the word AI to refer to so many things. A study published in 2016 suggested that surveyed AI experts predicted with a probability of over 50% that AI systems will reach overall human ability by 2040 to 2050. Stuart Russell, the co-author of a widely used textbook on AI, predicts that superintelligent AI is likely to emerge within the next generation's lifetime. AI predicts that in the coming decades, computer programs will do everything, including making new scientific discoveries that will expand our concept of everything. So, in this video, we will discuss the 10 most common misconceptions about AI. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss any of our videos. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 10. AI does not require humans. While AI will radically change how work is done and who does it, the technology's greater impact will be to complement and enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. Today, experts train machine learning algorithms to do the job they are designed to do. People are teaching machine translation applications to process idiomatic expressions, teaching medical applications to detect diseases. AI increasingly draws conclusions through non-transparent processes, which has legal ramifications. For example, the new EU General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, gives consumers the right to receive an explanation for any algorithm-based decision, such as offering a rate on a credit card or mortgage. This is one area where AI will boost employment, with experts estimating that companies will need to create around 75,000 new jobs to meet GDPR requirements. Number 9. AI will take our jobs. The most popular and potentially dangerous misconception about AI is that it will put people out of work. Many people were concerned with the World Economic Forum, WEF, report estimating that by 2025, 85 million jobs may be displaced by a shift in labor division between humans and machines. However, in the coming years, this only means the disappearance of entry-level positions that involve routine tasks. Thanks to advances in technology, some computers can perform business processes without human bias. Natural language processing, NLP, allows chatbots to understand speech and provide technical support to customers across industries, including food and retail. Human resources departments and finance companies use robotic process automation, RPA, to validate payroll systems, generate email reports, and manage expenses, among other tasks typically performed by employees. However, the same WEF report also states that there will be 97 million new job openings because of this shift. Number 8. AI is dangerous for humans. This statement has been discussed since the beginning of computing, but it has received a lot of attention in recent years as advances in machine learning methods have given us a more concrete understanding of what we can do with AI, what AI can do for us, and how much we still are not doing. Victoria Krakovna, an Alphabet researcher, has compiled a list of examples of a specification game. The computer does what we tell it to do, but not what we want it to do. For example, the AI had the task of putting a red block on top of a blue block. To be more precise, the player must be rewarded for making the bottom face of the red block high above the floor. Instead of picking up the red block and putting it on top of the blue one, the AI just flipped the red block over. Thus, the goal was achieved, high bottom face of the red block. A more complete specification of the desired result would also include that the top face of the red box should be higher than the bottom face, and that the bottom face is aligned with the top face of the blue box. Number 7. AI works exactly like a human brain. This is a common untruth about AI that is widely accepted as fact. The truth is, AI is a quite simple field with quite basic applications. Yes, there is plenty of evidence of AI successfully beating humans at a game of chess or mimicking a human by a series witty voice replies. However, this is little more than a simulacrum. AI cannot understand or comprehend its surroundings, nor can it genuinely learn from its environment in the same way humans can. Put simply, we are still a long way from AI that can do even basic human things like read a book or put on a suit and tie. Number 6. AI is 100% objective. Technically, it could be. An AI system can only be as good as its inputs. If you can clear your training dataset of conscious and unconscious assumptions about race, gender, or other ideological concepts, you can create an AI system that makes unbiased decisions based on the data. However, in the real world, we don't expect AI to ever be 100% objective. An interesting example is an Amazon recruiting tool, which showed bias against women. The company's experimental hiring tool used AI to rate job candidates by giving them 1 to 5 stars. The project was purely based on reviewing applicants' resumes so that recruiters do not waste time on manual tasks. However, by 2015, Amazon realized that its new AI-based hiring system was unfairly evaluating candidates and exhibiting a bias against women. Number 5. AI algorithms are neutral and objective processes. You may already know this since it is getting a lot more traction in the news these days, but AI is simply not neutral or objective. AI is only as good as the people or company that created it. Even in businesses' use cases, the quality and trustworthiness of AI vary massively. Let us look at one very common use case as an example: Forex trading robots, which use AI to help financial traders make decisions on currency markets. Many different AI robots exist, but the fact that industry experts such as top-rated Forex brokers provide painstakingly detailed reviews on the trustworthiness of Forex robots as tools for trading demonstrates that not all AI is neutral or trustworthy. Sometimes, AI is easily missold to people who have too much faith in the technology itself. Number 4. AI is too difficult for laypeople to understand. Many people who do not have a computer science background are instinctively deterred from trying to understand and take advantage of AI, assuming incorrectly that only scientists can grasp it. AI processes are simple and can be created with just 2 or 3 lines of code. AI is nothing more than a processor. You feed it data to get the results that you want. It works in a very straightforward manner and can easily be grasped by anyone who wishes to dedicate a short amount of time learning the basic tenets of it. There is, especially among AI experts, far too much gatekeeping of AI, which only serves to alienate those who could best take advantage of its uses. Number 3. AI is only relevant to high-tech industries. Remember when some people thought the internet was a passing fad only relevant to techies? Today, there is not a business under the sun that does not benefit from being searchable on Google. It is a similar scenario with artificial intelligence. While the tech sector is an obvious testing ground to push the boundaries of AI, there is not an industry that is removed from its impact, whether it is happening now or is on the near horizon. AI has implications for all fields, from construction, where it helps builders save money by better planning projects, to the beer industry, where it is being used to predict which taste consumers will like most. In customer service, AI is transforming customer interactions and helping agents do their jobs better. Those who lag in adopting AI because they think it is only for the tech field will be behind the curve. Number 2. Implementation is complex and expensive. While tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are spending big bucks to develop bespoke AI applications like smart personal assistants, most businesses can benefit from much simpler AI investments. One example is a cloud-based contact center platform with artificial intelligence capabilities. Because it is based in the cloud, such a system does not require heavy lifting from your internal IT team to troubleshoot and maintain. Once the initial setup is complete, updates are painless and can be done without a major overhaul to your infrastructure. Number 1. Intelligent machines can think for themselves. An end-stage AI product might give the impression that it thinks for itself, analyzing inputs, making decisions, and creating dynamic outputs. However, it is humans that construct the framework for AI-based decision-making, prepare the data for input, set parameters for how the data is used, and create new data that is continuously used to improve the system. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.